How to add Volvo XC90 2024 CEM key with Yanhua Mini ACDP2. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your ultimate hub for automobile diagnostic tools and programmers. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and show some love with a super thanks. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to program a key for a 2024 Volvo XC90 CEM using the Yanhua Mini ACDP2 or ACDP1. This method covers both adding a key and programming all keys when all are lost. Requirements: 1. Yanhua Mini ACDP2 or ACDP1 host device. 2. Volvo Module 20 license. 3. 2023 to 2024 Volvo CEM interface board. 4. Supported models. 2023 to 2024 Volvo models like the S60, S90, XC60, XC90, and Link & Co models. 5. CEM chip compatibility. SPC5748G, SPC5748C. Step-by-step procedure. 1. Remove and disassemble the CEM module. Carefully remove the CEM, Central Electronic Module, from the vehicle and disassemble it. The location should be the same as on older Volvo models. 2. Set up in ACDP software. Open the Yanhua Mini ACDP application and navigate to Volvo XC90 2022. 3. Reading CEM data via ICP. Select Read CEM data by ICP and choose SPC5748G, Volvo-24. Attach the new Volvo CEM interface board to the CEM module following the specific steps for connecting the interface board. Installation steps can be referenced in the video link provided in the description. 4. Read and save CEM data. Proceed to read the CEM data. The ACDP device will automatically save the CEM data upon successful reading. 5. Reinstall the CEM module in vehicle. Once the CEM data is saved, reinstall the CEM module back into the Volvo XC90. 6. Connect the ACDP device via OBDII. Connect the ACDP device to the vehicle using the standard OBDII adapter. In the ACDP software, go to Volvo XC90 2022, then select OBDII Detect. The software will read the VIN and display the current number of keys, e.g., 2 keys. 7. Save key information. Save the key information that appears after detection. 8. Add key/all keys lost programming. Choose Add Key or All Keys Lost depending on the situation. Confirm that the CEM module is properly installed and that the ACDP device is connected to the vehicle's OBDII port. Press the engine start button to turn on the ignition. 9. Select Save CEM Data. In the software, choose the previously saved CEM data file. 10. Place New Key in Recognition Area. Place the smart key to be programmed in the key recognition area, typically located in the cup holder. 11. Complete key programming. The ACDP will program the new key. Once it confirms the success, the new key is programmed and ready for use. Final steps. The process is complete. You've successfully programmed a new key or handled all keys lost for the 2024 Volvo XC90 using the Yanhua Mini ACDP device. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit that super thanks button. Until next time, happy diagnosing.